Hello, welcome to Cookie Mistress. Join me as I share my favorite Christmas cookie recipe featuring sugar sprinkles and adorable designs that are surely to impress. First step is to prepare the cookie dough. So you weigh out all the ingredients you need for the cookie. You start by pouring in your icing sugar, followed by your margarine, cream to very pale color. The recipe is available at the description. Then once it's pale, your mixture is pale, you add in your flour, followed by your milk and cream together for like 2 seconds. Then you divide the dough into 2 equal parts. Then 1 part will be divided into 3 more equal parts. The half part of your first dough will be the normal color. Then out of the 3 parts that you shared, 1 will be red, 1 will be green, and 1 will be gold. Then we start by doing the center. You form a 2 inches rectangle, freeze it. Once it's frozen, bring it out, form a cylinder shape and put it at one edge of the rectangle. Spread it evenly at the edges so that it joins properly. This forms the Santa boot. This cookie designs has to do with a lot of freezing. Now that your gift box, you form another rectangle of 1 inch height. Divide one part to be more than the other part. Wrap it up and freeze. Then after that, we have to do the center line of the gift box. Make a flat inch rectangle shape, same size with the gift box. Next, we bring out the Santa boots. We are now going to cover it with the plain cookie dough. Freeze for some minutes before you bring it out to apply the sugar sprinkles all around it and freeze again. Then the next is the wreath. You bring out the yellow cylinder that you have frozen and wrap it with the green dough. All around it, wrap it, then you freeze it. Once it's frozen, you bring it out. Use your star cutter at the edge to make deep lines from one edge to the other edge all around the cookie dough. Join the gift box with egg wash and press it tightly because it's frozen, so the shape cannot be damaged. So just press it, then wrap it with the red cookie dough, then freeze again. The boot is frozen and ready to be egg washed a little and wrapped with sprinkles. The link on how to make sugar sprinkle is at the description. Once this is done, you put it in the fridge to rest for like 5 minutes for you to be able to cut it easily. Then you do the same for the gift box. Egg wash it and apply your sugar sprinkles. The wreath, you do the same. Egg wash and apply your brown sugar sprinkle. Cut at the extreme edge of your gift box, so apply any design later after it's baked. Your Santa boots, you slice. Once it's baked, the upper part you can use white fondant to define the upper part of the Santa boot. You can use royal icing as well, white royal icing. Once you've cut your wreath, you have to attach your sprinkles immediately before you bake. And that is it for this beautiful assortment Christmas cookies. Thank you.